Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm happy to share the latest and up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bag collection for today's episode. And you know what that means? I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And then of course, for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, what are you waiting for? I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at RamirFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so we are going to start first with All-in-One PM. So this would be launching August 29, 2025. Price of this one is 2,600 euro or 3,150 USD. The material of this All-in-One PM bag is Empreinte Leather with cowhide leather trims, and the colorway is smoke. So this is a tote bag style with adjustable shoulder strap, bag tag as well. Next, we have the All-in-One GM. So guys, we are all going to discuss first all the Empreinte Leather with the colorway of smoke. So All-in-One GM price is 2,300 euro or 3,000 USD. We have SKU here. So this is a bucket bag style. This is the interior. I love that it comes with a Empreinte Leather mini pochette as well. And the strap is fully adjustable as we could see here. Next on the collection, gorgeous bag. So this is like a wallet on chain size. So this is the pochette live. Price of this one is 1,750 euro or 1,990 USD. Material is Empreinte Leather. So this is the top view, guys. So you're going to see it's like a two bag in one, of course, with multi zipper and comes with gold hardware. Next on the collection, we have the on the go size MM. So this one price at 2,800 euro or 3,550 USD. Materials Empreinte Leather. So the interior, this is the interior, very spacious. So the longer shoulder strap, of course, is non-detachable, so it would come with the clasp for closure. So what do you think of this bag? Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code RAMIRO5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, so very gorgeous Diane bag. So price of this one is 2,350 euro or 2,850 USD. So we have SKU here, so still launching August 29. So Diane bag, so this is the interior. So Empreinte Leather would be the outer part, and then I love the back pocket. I love bags with back pocket, very multifunctional. Then guys, just look at the return of the Neverfull Inside Out. So this one is size MM. Price of this one is 2,500 euro or 3,100 USD. So this is the interior. So actually guys, so one part is monogram canvas and one part is calfskin leather in the colorway of smoke. So which do you prefer? Would it be the monogram canvas or the leather version? So next guys, we have a smaller version. So we have the all-in BB. So price of this one is 2,800 euro or 3,250 USD. We have SKU here. So the material of this one is calfskin leather. So the interior, this is the interior. So it would come, of course, with mini pochette that is made of monogram canvas. Next on the collection, so now new ones, we have all-in-one size PM. So this is the same one as the one that we have discussed earlier, but the colorway of this one is in black. So this is the interior. Price of this one is 2,600 euro or 3,150 USD. Kindly take note that this would be launching August 29, 2025. I love the longer shoulder strap, very easy to carry, maybe an alternative to the Neverfull. Then we have the side trunk size MM. Price of this one is 3,700 euro or 4,700 USD. The material of this one is calfskin leather, so very gorgeous color, like a burgundy colorway with, of course, we have the gold detail hardware, and I love the top handle, the leather chain strap that it comes with, that is fully detachable. Another version, so we have the side trunk size MM. Price of this one is 3,400 euro or 4,350 USD. August 29th is the launch date, so the material of this one is suede calfskin leather with monogram canvas trim. So as we could see here, so the top handle is fully detachable and it comes with crossbody strap as well. Then we have the hobo MM. So price of this one is 3,200 euro or 3,700 USD. Material is suede calfskin leather with cowhide leather trim. So as you can see, the strap is fully adjustable with the gold padlock closure. Then of course the interior. Then this is the monogram canvas mini pochette that it comes with, which I super love. Then guys, let us check out the Capucines mini that will be launching on August 29th. So first we have the Capucines mini. Price of this one is 5,500 euro or 6,500 USD. Material is the Tyrolean calfskin leather. So the outside part and of course the lining would be made of leather as well. So of course it would come with detachable straps, so you could carry this one as a crossbody. Then we have a BB size of the Neverfull Inside Out. So price of this one is 2,200 euro or 2,820 USD. So the material is calfskin leather, monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So it would come with detachable leather canvas strap, so you could wear it multi-way. So this is the canvas part would be the outside, and of course you could use the leather part as well. Then guys, we have a carry-all travel bag. So this one price is 3,900 euro. We have SKU here. So the material is calfskin leather. This is the interior. I love that it comes with a full zipper and zipper at the back pocket as well. Then it would come with a monogram pochette. So this is the size, comparing if for example you are going to carry it. Next on the collection, we have the Capucines East-West Mini. So what a beautiful bag and colorway. So price of this one is 6,300 euro or 7,150 USD. Material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Even the lining is made of leather with gold hardware. So what's special about this one, of course, the chain strap that it comes with. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So among the bags that I have presented for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at PremierFi2 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A billion thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!